Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2017 Absolute 45 STY. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through the boat, show you some of the cool features on it. This is a high quality manufacturer from Italy. So some of the cool options, the cool layout. This one does have the captain's quarters back here. So you've got air conditioning, fully enclosed head, you have a shower. This one also has your hydraulic swim platform. So if you are going to do a tender on the back of the boat, this works out very, very well. We've got our natural teak all the way around. This particular boat's powered with the Volvo IPS 600s pod drives. The boat has very good service history as well. We do have our aft shade right here, so on those hot summer days that makes things much more comfortable. So let's just go to the gap. Let's start here. We've got our stove right here. This opens up, and then you've got the tinted windows all the way around, which keeps it nice and cool in here. Real nice galley layout. Our refrigerator is going to be on our port side right here, if you want to take a look at that. Then we have a TV that's electric that goes up and down. This one has a beautiful sunroof right here that opens up, gives you a lot of natural lighting and all the way around natural lighting. This one also has the windows that go up and down right here. So that's very nice when you're docking and stuff like that. Need to speak to the dock master, that works out good. Nice couch area right here for entertaining. This is also IPS 600. IPS 600 Volvos. Here's your joystick right here. We do have autopilot. We do have GPS chart plotter and radar on the boat. So let's check out our staterooms and beautiful china that comes with the boat from Italy. So we go down inside here. We've got the second stateroom right here. So this is a nice island berth. We've got storage on both sides. Once again, big windows on each side, a lot of natural lighting, beautiful woodwork all the way around. And this one is going to have a separate shower and head on this side. And so this is going to be your day head. So that works out good. And then over here, this will be for the master. So once again, we have a separate shower here with head, but full beam master. So you've got tons of room inside here. You have lots of storage, and once again, the big windows, and of course the curtains when it's time to sleep. It works out well. Storage over here. So you've got hanging closets here, you know, if you're doing an extended weekend or something of the sort. So a really neat layout. The 45 has been real popular for Absolute. This particular one is in very, very nice condition, exceptionally nice condition for the boat. I've got all the service history, and this boat's also at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. So to recap, 2017 Absolute 45, IPS 600s, bow thruster, swim platform, and if you'd like any additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345, and it's Jeremy Bradshaw. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.